Where are you now? There or here? Great news is Powerful Network Design Simulator can push you to the top. With this tool, all supply chain analysts and engineers can start their journey from current network design to the growth by comparing risk and cost of multiple scenarios. Easily design, optimize, and analyze your supply chain and simulate demand changes in different regions and markets. Revolutionary progress demands fast reaction if you want to be ahead of your competition. So waste no time and start testing this platform right now. Click on LockHub 3.0 icon in the Supply Chain Apps home menu and you will be launched to the platform. To test Network Design Simulator, first go on Projects, then click on Plus and create your own project name. Now you will have an overview of Network Design Simulator workflow and its detailed steps. First part of the workflow is input data, where you will have 7 tables. In this table, you can import all the delivery node lines you would like to use. Each delivery node line has a unique identification number and also a delivery node line position. There can be multiple positions on one delivery node line. Multiple delivery node lines can be grouped to a shipment via the shipment ID column. And each delivery node line has also a shipment date and the sender and the recipient that have to be described via an address and the category. The category could be a geographical region where the goods are shipped to. Each delivery node line also has a material ID column and different material IDs can be grouped to a material group. The category and material group can be used to define the growth as well as the material origin. It is also mandatory to specify the weight and the volume for each delivery node line. In the source column, the sender of a delivery node line is a warehouse. In the source column, you can, for example, specify the production factory. In the network nodes table, all locations beside the customer's locations have to be defined per scenario. It is important to specify the address with country, state, zip, city and street information, as well as the node type and the node layer. If the location is a source of the delivery node lines, the node type must be specified as source. In the network structure table, define the structure of the supply chain that you want to simulate. You can connect the node layers with edge layers. Node layer can be factory, warehouse and customers, while the edge layer could be main haul and distribution. The complexity of the network structure can be defined by the user. In addition, track capacity based on weight and volume as well as the consolidation frequency has to be defined for each edge layer. This is how the system consolidates delivery node lines to trucks and has impact on the truck utilization as well as on the transportation cost. Consolidation frequency refers to monthly, weekly and daily. The transport cost adjustment factor can be used to adjust the transportation cost per edge layer. The system is using a sophisticated and very detailed transport cost evaluation engine that consists of millions of historical transport cost points. The network structure also must be defined per scenario. In the scenario definition table, the number of locations that should be planned per node layer must be defined per scenario. Please consider that the number of locations per node layer has to be equal or greater than the number of fixed locations. In the growth table, the user can define the growth in percentage per material ID, material group, as well as the category. The asterisk added in the columns means that column is valid for all possible entries. In the material origin table, the origin of the material can be defined. The origin definition in the delivery node line table has priority. If there is nothing defined, the system will take a look into this table. The asterisk logic, as described in the growth table, is also applicable for the scenario, material group, material as well as the category column. In the warehouse cost table, the parameters for calculating the warehousing cost can be defined. The asterisk can be used in the scenario, node layer, warehouse ID, and warehouse country column. Part of the warehousing costs are calculated per pallet, where you can specify the weight and volume per pallet. The system calculates the storage holding cost, therefore the storage cost per pallet and month as well as the average storage duration have to be defined. You can evaluate inbound process per pallet as well as the pick and pack process on the outbound side. In addition, the fixed cost for the warehouse per month can also be defined. The possibility to download these tables in Excel or to upload Excel tables into the Network Design Simulator exists also through Manage Dataset app from the Supply Chain Apps portfolio. In both cases, when uploading or downloading the table, you need to specify the workspace which you are using. The workspace will always be written project plus the name you gave to it. In dataset part, you are choosing which step do you use, while in the datasets table, you decide which exact table are you inserting the new data in or exporting the data from. After generating the table and adding your own data, make sure you connect your table with Manage Dataset app by clicking on this green link and then just press OK.